from Bob's Workshop. Today I have a small short video for you about an event that's coming up this weekend. Valentine's Day is coming up quickly, and it lands this year on a Saturday. But before you take your special someone out to a romantic dinner, may I suggest checking out the annual St. Andrews Model Train Show in southwestern Ohio. If you want to go to the biggest swap meet for trains in Cincinnati, wait for the fall show at Lakota High School. However, if you prefer a smaller venue with perhaps bigger bargains, go to this one. The footage I'm showing here is from previous shows, but a lot of the same sellers show up year after year. I think I started coming here in 2023, so this will be my 4th visit, and I never go home empty-handed. The selection is always changing, so you never know what you might find, but most of the sellers are very friendly and often willing to negotiate. There are operating train layouts ranging in size from N scale to O gauge, which happens to be my preferred scale, so I tend to take a lot of video of Lionel, Williams, or MTH trains. That's probably another reason why I like this event. The majority of the items here seem to be from Lionel or something compatible with O gauge. You will occasionally find an item that is brand new and unopened, but most of what you'll see has been used, in conditions ranging from basket cases good for only parts or projects to items that are near mint, and the prices can be all over the place too. But again, most of the sellers are pretty reasonable. Demographically, I think this hobby is largely represented by older males. Let's say guys between the ages of 50 to 80 years old. That's mostly who you'll see here in Milford on Saturday, but some will be there with their grandkids, and I've also noticed a fair number of young families now attending too. Moms and dads who came together with their 4 or 5-year-olds, sometimes even with their kids in strollers. And that's an image that was often part of the old Lionel catalogs. A mom or dad down on the carpeted floor, watching or helping their kids operate toy trains on a simple loop of track. In those old catalogs, the trains were often beneath a Christmas tree, but I think it's a pretty good year-round hobby. So, if you're not doing anything this weekend, maybe we'll run into each other at the St. Andrews Model Train Show in Milford, Ohio. Until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.